Hi everyone, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover data from your hard disks. Whether you have deleted some data accidentally or you have formatted your hard drive, it is very easy to recover data with the help of 4dig Tenorshare data recovery software. As here you can see, this is the official website of this application. From here you can easily download it. I have also provided you the link of this application in the description section below, to kindly follow that. So I have already downloaded the application. As here you can see, it is available on my desktop. And for showing you the demo, I have created one demo partition, as here you can see, by the name demo. So if I open it, here you can see I have 5 footage. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this footage from my laptop first of all. The footage has been deleted, and let me show you, it is not available even in recycle bin also. Alright, now what I'm going to do is, let's open this Tenorshare application. Now from the list, you have to choose the partition from where you want to recover the data. So hence I have deleted the data from demo partition. So I'm going to select this partition and let's click on start. Now it is going to few minutes. It's all depend on the size of your hard drive and available data into it. So just wait until the scan get completed. Alright guys, 100% scan is completed. Now as you can see, it is going to show you list of files that can be recovered. So I have deleted these 5 files that you are able to see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also showing earlier files that I have deleted earlier. Even that files also you can recover it very easily. Okay, as of now I just want to recover these 5 files. Now let's click on recover. Now from here it is asking you to choose the location for where you want to save the file. Make sure you should not choose the same partition from where you are recovering the data. Okay, so for example I am recovering from demo partition. So for that I am going to choose a different location, for example D drive. Alright, I am choosing the D drive, and here I am creating one new folder. Let's click on recover. Now let's click on view recovered. Here it is deleted files. And as you can see, the 5 files has been recovered successfully and it is not corrupted. Okay, if I want to play this file, as you can see, it is playing right now. Are you able to see guys? See, all the files are working absolutely fine. So this is how easily you can recover deleted files from your hard disks, and there is one very cool feature on this application. I would love to show you that. This feature is really helpful for you if your computer get crashed and if you want to recover data from your crashed computer. Here you will get one more option, that is recover from crashed computer. Once you select this option allows you to create a bootable pen drive. For example, if your operating system get crashed, you cannot log into your computer, right? So what this pen drive allows you to do is, you can connect this pen drive to your computer and you can easily get into your hard disks and very easily you can recover all the important data. So I have found this application really very useful. If you are planning to download it, I have provided you the link in the description section below, as well as I have also shared you the coupon code in the description. If you use it, you will get 30% discount while purchasing this particular one application. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe it and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.